And so let's take an opportunity together right here and right now to enter into a time of meditation, a time of connecting with Spirit, and a time of renewing our strength together. And so in this now moment, we take this opportunity to breathe in, to slowly and gently connect with the light and the love of Spirit that expresses as us. To turn our attention away from outer distractions, from those distractions that seek to tire our bodies, to frazzle our minds, and instead turn our focus to the divine power and presence of Spirit that we find within. And so as that awareness of Spirit, that awareness of the presence of Spirit grows in us, we see ourselves becoming aware of that divine energy that is radiating from deep within our being. That divine energy that says that if I have called you to do this, you are capable and you have all the energy you need. And so right here and right now, we trust in that divine source. As we allow Spirit's energy to fill us, to inspire us, to return us to wholeness. We pause in this moment as we allow Spirit's divine renewing energy to buzz within our hearts, filling us with its light as we rest in the stillness, in the quiet, in the silence. I claim my divine energy now. I claim my divine energy now. And ever so gently, we begin returning our awareness to this place, this time, to the world around us. Knowing that as our awareness of this outer world returns, that the energy that we claimed and realized as ours comes with us. That divine light and that divine love is a part of who and what we are. It can never be removed from us, and it can never be taken away from us. And so in this moment, we allow ourselves to well up with gratitude as we know that right here and right now, we are grateful for our renewal. And we are grateful for the divine energy that flows through us. And so it is. Amen.